Alright, we have number 6, number 5, number 4, number 3, number 2, and which one of these things doesn't belong? One of these things is different from the other. Yeah, Sesame Teach surely taught racial prejudice there, didn't they? But in this case, the spark plug is just full of carbon and unburned fuel because, boys and girls, the center electrode insulator has chipped and much of it is missing. So comparing it against another insulator, a different plug, you can see the difference. That's all for today.